conceal my reality.
Hello, guys. Good afternoon from Sabadell State. Good afternoon, guys. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anora Jennifer, Gen Z mommy of 3 kids. So, guys, I'm about to start another beautiful vlog. I told you guys it's back to back this time around. So this vlog is actually evening vlog. So I want to go to the market. Tomorrow is not school. Tomorrow being Thursday and Friday is not school. I think it's Salah. Yeah. So I want to go to the market um to get something. Actually, our broom broke day before yesterday while I was sweeping. Then I want to make white soup. I have all the things I need as except the ingredients. And then I also want to make local rice, yeah, and porridge. So I need scent leaf and crayfish. That's basically what I'm getting because I have most of the things at home. I just want to add it so that we'll be able to then I want to also make stew. Yeah, the last tomatoes I bought, that tomatoes I think is too watery because I got the normal 3 pints I used to get that normally last, even stay longer. I will even go to market and add to it. That one just finished day before yesterday, so I need to make small stew and put in the freezer that can last us till months already end before I'll now go to the market. So that is it. But before I start going to the market, I want to hang clothes. The laundry I did in the afternoon, I want to hang the clothes outside, then trash this dustbin here. Yeah, trash it outside the gates. Then I'll head to the market. I'm going to take you guys along. Okay, stay tuned. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, I love you all. So guys, this city everywhere is neat. You know they gather clothes again now. Jeez. My daughter, see what my daughter did. These ones are washed. You know they gather clothes so as much as they don't have lights. Go gather clothes again. So this is so I need to clean this. I need to clean this. I think this thing is still washing. It's still washing. See, that's water. Still washing. So I'll just hang this one. So guys, I'm done. So it's time to head to the market. I have low battery, but don't worry, I have power bank. This water is so chill. I have power bank. I have been working with my phone since morning, editing videos and shooting videos. So don't worry guys, I have power bank. I'm going to take you along, okay? So I'll see you guys when I'm in the market. Yeah, when I'm in the market or when I'm on my way to the market. Okay.
everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. No rude Jennifer, always keeping it real. No rude Jennifer.
Oh, give me this one. Food stash, shombo. Shombo, how much? Put one. I get pepper. Put that yellow one. Shey, it's not too pepperish. How much? This ground oil, how much? Give me salad spice. I don't know how it is. 5 from. Mama, I want the one I'll blend myself. Crayfish, how much?
500.
How it is, sir?
115.
Yeah. Mama, how much please?
So guys, I'm back from the market. Let me show you guys everything I bought. I'm not going to show you guys when I'm cooking because I want to go live, so I will show you guys the stuffs I got, and I'll definitely show you guys when I'm done cooking. Okay, so I just got little thing. That means the next market I'm even going to be both Easter market. So that Easter market, there's plenty because it's going to be holidays period, so we need to buy plenty things. So let me show you guys what I got. You still have some things in the fridge. I just got these stuffs. Let me show you. So this is let me finish. So guys, I got some food. Don't go through this and see for your car before you even have this spell. I got just this fish because I have meat in the freezer. Got tomato small. Got tomato. I got onion. So I got this pepper jumbo. Okay. I got the salad spice. These are spices for the soup that I'm making. So I got this one for the soup. I got this one. This is cane, so what I'm going to say, I got it. So guys, my stew is ready. But I've already packed the soup. I packed the soup. I don't even remember. So I'm done. I want to go freshen up. My kids, my husband just finished baking my cakes, and Moye is feeding Jotam. So I want to go and freshen up and rest. I've been standing since morning. Ah, they make a go rest. I'll be best in cooking. See you guys later. Okay. Bye. See you in my next vlog. So.